our oil water separator. First off, the overall dimensions. With the cover, we have a length of 10 inches, a depth of 14 inches, and without the cover, we have a length of 9 15/16 and a depth of 13 3/4 inches. Two separate compartments, with the front compartment measuring 10 inches in length, 6.5 inches in depth, by 9 inches in height. Coming to the back, the length and the height will be the same, with the exception of the depth measuring 7.5 inches. Coming to the front will be the main pipe connector, and included will be the corrugated hose and cap to connect. Also included will be the valve to connect to the side, cap to the top, along with Teflon tape. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.